Hot glue guns are essential tools for woodworking enthusiasts, DIYers, and professionals alike. They offer quick adhesive solutions for bonding wood, plastic, metal, and other materials, making them indispensable for crafting, repairs, and remodeling projects. In this review, we tested and compared 5 popular hot glue guns, ranging from budget-friendly options to professional-grade models to help users make informed decisions. List 1. Gorilla Mini Hot Glue Gun Kit. Pack of 1 Mini Hot Glue Gun. The Gorilla Mini Hot Glue Gun Kit is a compact and versatile tool designed for small crafts and repairs. It features dual temperature settings, allowing users to switch between low and high heat for delicate materials and strong bonding applications. The precision nozzle and easy squeeze trigger ensure controlled glue application, while the built-in stand and insulated nozzle enhance safety during use. The kit includes 30 mini glue sticks, which are weather-resistant and impact-tough, suitable for indoor and outdoor projects. In terms of performance, the Gorilla Mini Glue Gun excels in precision and ease of use, making it ideal for hobbyists and light-duty woodworking tasks. However, its 12-watt power output limits its effectiveness for larger or more demanding projects. Users appreciated its ergonomic design and quick heating, but the mini glue sticks may not last long for frequent users. Overall, this glue gun is best suited for small-scale projects where versatility and portability are key. List 2. Gorilla Hot Glue Gun Kit. Pack of 1. Full-size hot glue gun. The Gorilla Full-Size Hot Glue Gun Kit offers a step up in power and versatility compared to its mini counterpart. With dual temperature settings and a larger glue stick capacity, this tool is better suited for woodworking and heavy-duty applications. The comfort grip, wide base, and precision nozzle make it user-friendly, while the included 45 glue sticks ensure extended use. Safety features like the built-in fuse and insulated nozzle add reliability. Performance-wise, the full-size Gorilla Glue Gun delivers strong adhesive bonds for wood, plastic, and metal. Its higher wattage allows for faster heating and consistent glue output, making it ideal for medium to large-scale projects. However, its larger size may feel bulky for users accustomed to compact models. Additionally, the lack of a cordless option limits mobility during use. Overall, this glue gun is a solid choice for woodworking enthusiasts needing a reliable tool for frequent use. List 3. Hot Glue Gun Kit with 30 glue sticks. The Krylink Hot Glue Gun Kit is a budget-friendly option designed for light-duty crafting and home repairs. With a 20-watt power output and fast preheating system, it heats up in just 1 minute and maintains a consistent temperature. The ergonomic handle and anti-drip nozzle ensure comfortable and precise operation, while the included 30 glue sticks provide good value for the price. While the Krylink glue gun performs adequately for small projects, its lower power output and compact size make it unsuitable for heavy-duty woodworking tasks. Users appreciated its lightweight design and quick heating, but noted occasional glue leakage from the nozzle. This model is ideal for beginners or casual users looking for an affordable and straightforward tool for basic projects. List number: DeWalt Quick Heat Ceramic Glue Gun. The DeWalt Quick Heat Ceramic Glue Gun is built for durability and efficiency, featuring a ceramic heating element for rapid warm-up and consistent performance. Known for its sturdy construction, this glue gun is suitable for construction-grade applications, including woodworking and heavy-duty repairs. Its ergonomic design and manual power source make it a reliable choice for professionals. This model stands out for its robust build quality and high-temperature performance, allowing it to handle demanding tasks with ease. However, its manual operation and lack of included glue sticks may be a drawback for some users. Additionally, its higher price point may deter casual users. Overall, the DeWalt Glue Gun is best suited for professionals seeking a reliable tool for frequent and intensive use. List 5. ADTE Industrial Strength Full-Size High Output Hotmelt Glue Gun. Professional grade hot glue gun for carpentry. The ADTE Industrial Strength Glue Gun is a professional-grade tool designed for carpentry, remodeling, and industrial applications. With a powerful 200-watt heating system and an operating temperature of 410 Fahrenheit, this glue gun delivers exceptional adhesive performance. The ergonomic trigger and built-in metal base stand enhance comfort and stability during use. The ADTE Pro 200 excels in high-output performance, producing up to 3.5 pounds of glue per hour. Its rapid heating time and durable construction make it ideal for large-scale woodworking tasks. However, its high price and corded design may limit accessibility for some users. This glue gun is best suited for professionals or advanced DIYers who prioritize power and reliability over portability.